Okay, let's put our thermostat back up to the UH8-RF. So we grab our Heatmiser thermostat, pull the cover off the UH8-RF receiver. Then we need to work out which one we're doing. We're doing the living room, which is in zone 3 by here. And then we need to look at the units and tens up here and figure out what we are. So we're tuned into 0, 1. Then we need to grab our thermostat, press and hold the tick, enter setup, press down twice, then tick. Now we need to set the number, which was 0, 1. Now we need to set the loop number, which was 0, 3. And then change it to underfloor heating from radiators and press tick. That is now paired back up to the receiver. What we'll do now is turn it up, create a demand, and ensure that it clicks on. There we go. Demand has been created, sent to the receiver. Actuators will start to open. So we'll test it to make sure it switches off. Job done. There we go, that's how we do it.